Knowing when it's time to replace your windows isn't exactly rocket science, but if you have neglected your windows for a while, it might be time for a checkup. In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 signs indicating that you might need new windows and how to inspect them. There are 3 common things that will let you know it may be time for new windows, and they are feeling drafts, noticing fog, and visual deterioration. Now, all of these things can occur simply from old age, but other factors such as climate and installation can shorten the lifespan of your windows. Let's look at the specifics of each of these signs to better understand what exactly to look for and what causes these problems. If you sit next to a window or walk past one in your house and notice a slight breeze, this is a common sign that your windows need replacing. Drafts can occur from seal failure, deterioration around the edges, or even poor installation. While drafts tell you that your windows are not doing their job, they also mean that your windows are not doing you any favors for energy efficiency. Air coming into your house means air is also leaving your house. So you are losing air conditioning in the summers and heat in the winters. If you notice a draft coming from any of your windows, chances are you've also noticed a slight increase in your energy bills. Foggy windows are another sign of failing windows that can also indicate seal failure or poor installation. Now, this isn't condensation on the inside or outside of your windows. Foggy windows happen in between the glass panes. If the seal is not doing its job around the window panes, it will allow excess moisture and air to get between the panes of glass, causing them to fog or appear hazy. This can obstruct the visibility of the window and also affect the insulating properties of the window. When you notice a draft or foggy windows and inspect the window, you might find the seal is peeling or something is broken. Noticing a broken part or that the window is not working properly is an obvious sign it needs replacing. In some cases, you may not have to replace the entire window and only need to fix or replace a certain part, but it is still important to inspect the entire thing. Look for splitting or cracking of the frame, seal, or glass. If you open your window and notice it does not stay up, the balance system will probably need to be fixed or replaced. Deterioration can also occur on the exterior of the window if you live in a harsh climate. When the weather constantly switches from cold to hot to cold again, the materials of your windows are also going through the constant cycle of contracting when it's cold and expanding when it's hot, which can lead to broken seals or rotting in the frames. So how should you inspect your windows? Don't underestimate the visual inspection. Deterioration around the frame and seals, fogginess between panes, and any drafts coming from the edges of the window are all good signs that you may need to replace. If you want to measure the energy efficiency of your windows, you can use a directional thermometer gun to take the temperature of the inside of your window and compare it to the temperature of the wall. If the difference is around 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or more, your windows are not as efficient as they should be in blocking external heat from your home. If the difference is near 5 degrees Fahrenheit, then your windows are doing a good job in insulating your home. The lifetime of your windows depends on the quality of the manufacturer and how they are installed. If you're looking for the least expensive window, don't expect them to last your lifetime. Builder grade windows typically last 10 to 15 years. When looking to replace your windows, keep these factors in mind: the cost, the window type, and the installation process. That way you will have a better understanding how long you can expect them to last. We put together a great playlist in the description below that talks all about replacement window cost in more detail, so make sure you check it out. Thank you for dropping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.